Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my upload.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we bring you latest update about Luna and Binance. Binance have recently tweeted that Binance will list at Terra 2.0, Luna and the Innovation Zone and will open trading so the Lunar US pairing and the Lunar BUSD pairing at 6 a.m. Universal Time coordinated on May 31st. Now at the time of filming is the 29th law. This is in roughly 46 hours now. If we scroll down they clarify and say that Luna old holders may be noticing that coins are disappearing from wallets. That's what's happened to me last night. My Luna stopped showing in my Binance account. Please do not be alarmed, this is part of the preparation for the switch to LUNC and the upcoming airdrop of the new Terra 2.0. Luna, the LUNC balance will appear in users' wallets when the token swap is completed within the next day. We will provide further updates if there are any changes to this timeline. Now I mentioned that my tokens disappeared, my old Lunar disappeared, so if you were looking for your Luna tokens in your Binance wallet you may need to now change what you were searching for and search for LUNC and C instead of LUNA until the new launch on Luna is launched in 48 hours. With that then they did clarify with more information here. Fella Binanceans, Binance will list Terra 2.0 Luna in the Innovation Zone and will open trading for Luna/UST and Luna BUSD trading pairs. Deposits and withdrawals for Luna will then open at the 22nd of the 5th 31st at 530 is 1 hour prior to trading starting. Deposits and withdrawals will open on Binance, which means you will be able to deposit any tokens you've been airdropped to Terra Station to the exchange in time for the exchange to then launch the trading pairs. So if you wanted to sell your tokens that you've gotten Terra Station and you want to get the price that opens when Binance launches the cryptocurrency, then you could do that with an hour. If you can do it in an hour's time, goes on say that Territory.0 Luna airdrop details. We will distribute Terra 2.0 Luna to all eligible LUNC and our USTC users based on the ratio of, and it goes into the exact figures here, which is really helpful for a calculation. Now, it just says here that there's a bit of a reminder again. We suspected this in the live stream that Binance were going to be incredibly cautious when it came to launch in this cryptocurrency. They do not need the new users. They already have the users. This for them is more about protecting their image, making sure that it is done correctly and making sure that they minimize the number of customer service complaints that they have to deal with to help people and being as a centralized exchange. So it just says that the Innovation Zone is dedicated trading zone where users are able to trade new tokens that may have increased volatility and pose a higher risk than other tokens, which in my personal opinion, again, not financial advice, the new Luna token definitely house before being able to trade in the Innovation Zone. All users must be are required to visit the web version of the Innovations on Trading page to carefully read Finance's terms of use and complete a questionnaire as part of the initial disclaimer. I've done this questionnaire in the past. It basically just asks you what sort of a trader you are and what you should expect from trading in the Innovation Zone, and illustrates back to the point that trading tokens within the Innovation Zone is incredibly risky. Again, this is Binance just protecting themselves as much as possible from anybody coming after them specifically. No, just say that Terra 2.0 Luna is a new token that may pose a higher than normal risk, and as such, you may be subject to price volatility. Please ensure that you exercise all sufficient risk management, have done your own research in regards to Luna's fundamentals, and fully understand the project we are making your decision to trade on the token. According to our terms of use, you should refrain from trading if you are unsure, and you should speak to independent financial advice before trading. There is more information here on this webpage, but I won't cover that in this video. We've already covered it in the past. We can also see that Terra Classic, the old Lunar as we know it now, it's now been renamed at Terra Classic with the abbreviation LUNC, is down 31% in the last 24 hours, and I suspect that is as a result of people going ahead and selling their old Terra Classic, their old Luna tokens now that they have got an airdrop or the airdrop of their new tokens. They're not interested in the old tokens. They are now deciding to sell them because the snapshot has been taken and they have been issued their new tokens, given that moving forward at the utility here is going to decrease. I do believe this price will continue to deteriorate again, not financial advice. I think obviously utility is deteriorating. The only sad thing here is, in my personal opinion, there is a fantastic community who wanted to maintain the old Luna, who wanted to, create a burn mechanism, and I've spoken about this before in my previous Lunar videos, and I think it's such a shame that that's not been the case. Further, I know as a community burn going on, but suddenly just doesn't seem like it's enough to really create any kind of momentum here. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know them down in the comments below. And in the meantime, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.